all, welcome. You're watching Business Today. This is Astha Chopra. Today we are at the Amazon festive season curtain raiser. Like, they have raised the curtain for the festive season. Festive season is approaching, and to give more details, we have two gentlemen with us, Mitranjan and Karan. Thank you so much for joining us, and congratulations as the curtain has raised. The festive season is approaching. Please tell us, what are your expectations? What can the consumer expect this festive season?
Thank you so much, Astha, for having us. Consumers can expect that we are partnering with all our sellers. We're putting in all our efforts on expanding our fulfillment network. So we will bring the biggest possible assortment of selection at with the most compelling deals at the fastest possible speeds for consumers across India.
So, can you let us know that our viewers, can you throw in some numbers, percentage, what are the growth expectations you're considering? We also saw your presentation. It was a very nice growth trajectory which Amazon is following. Can you throw in some of that?
Like I said, the entire Amazon team, along with the entire seller community, has been heads down focused on making this one of the biggest and the best Great Indian festivals that we've had so far, and fingers crossed to see the best ever growth numbers.
And what are the segments we are looking forward? Which segments will experience much of the great sales, and if you're watching some trends, what are the people looking for this shopping season?
We have pretty much, you name a category and we will have a selection and deals across that category, be it electronics, be it IT products, be it home furnishing or kitchen or appliances or fashion or beauty, and I wouldn't be able to name all of them. There are 19 crore products on Amazon, so pretty much if you want it, you'll find it on Amazon.
Absolutely. Let's go to you, over to you, Karan. Tell us about your expansion plan, your store expansion plans, and especially when it comes to tier 1 and tier 2 cities, what is the growth trajectory that asking?
We're actually seeing great growth from our tier 2 and tier 3 cities, and this year we have actually gone deeper into the country to make sure that we are reaching our customers over there even faster. We have gotten into smaller towns of Hubli, Trivandrum, Cochin, etc. To make sure that we're able to offer that selection and speed to our customers in tier 2, tier 3 markets as well. We're actually seeing a lot of our new customers come in from tier 2, tier 3 markets as we provide them better selection and faster speed. So we're super excited about this next leg of our journey in India.
And you have also expanded some of your capacity of like say storage and many much more. Can you just let us know about that as well?
Absolutely. We have now got 43 million cubic feet of storage across the country, and this is to store inventory for our sellers, to make it ready for our customers. That's a lot of inventory. This year itself we've added 8.6 million cubic feet of inventory, and this is across 15 states where we have our fulfillment centers, across 19 states where we have our sortation centers, and we have 2,000 delivery stations that do the last mile of delivery for our customers, and we serve 100% of serviceable PIN codes in India. So we're super excited about the infrastructure investments we have been making. In fact, this year itself we made 2,000 crores of investment in expanding and upgrading our infrastructure to meet the customer demand.
So also one thing I noticed that your presentation showed also 30% of growth in demand when it comes to. So was it like more as compared to last year, or this we are seeing something much bigger hike on?
Actually, with demand, the year is still remaining in front of us. The biggest festive season is remaining ahead of us, so it'll be a little premature to comment on year-over-year numbers because it's not apples to apples yet. In the fullness of time, we're expecting this to be our biggest ever festival season, and once it's out, I think we'll all know what the numbers look like.
Okay, so one of the major part which is happening, like geopolitically, the rates have cut. Will we see any effect on the demands? Do you expect that demand will grow, the consumers will come on in?
We're absolutely expecting consumers to be very excited about this festive season and participate wholeheartedly. We have got the best selection available for them, so whatever they desire, they should have an opportunity to get. We have been working very closely with our sellers who are doing their best to pass on the best deals to customers, and with that, let's see how it all pans out.
Well, absolutely. One point was amazing when you tie up with the local Kirana stores and something, which is a very, very big thing, because of course there is always a e-commerce and a Kirana store debate going on in the Indian markets. So you are joined by 28,000 plus Kirana store.
Yes.
So are you planning to get on more, and how is this how is this portraying as a good example for e-commerce business?
In fact, we have been doing this for years, and we have now grown this to 28,000 I Have store, Kirana store, or other small and pop retailers who do the last leg of delivery for us. And we've been growing this channel over the years. We've nurtured it along, and it's a great partnership. They know their neighborhoods better than anybody else. This is an additional source of income for them as well. And this is a channel that is probably the most reliable for us in terms of getting deliveries done on time. So we are very excited to continue to grow this journey and hopefully inspire others as well.
Just one more question before I let you both go. You can, any one of you can answer about Amazon Now. Like, this is the wonderful platform which is coming forward. What are your expectations about that, and how fast the growth will happen in Mumbai or any other city which you're centric on?
It's always difficult to put a growth number when you're
course.
starting out so early in the
Yeah.
game because the numbers are going to look very big because you don't have a base at this point. But we are already at 100 micro FC stores across the country. We expect it to be at 200 of these by the end of the year, if not more. And the good news is customers find this speed at their fingertip when they open the app. And if they want it, it's there in 10-15 minutes. And we're super excited about this.
Well, this Amazon Now business has made like significantly easier life as compared to whatever we need, whenever we need. It's like on the bed, just click a button and you get it. So of course we are looking forward for many more such platforms and activities as well from Amazon. All the best to you guys. Festive season is coming. Wonderful speaking to you. Thank you so much for your views. Thank
you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.